Welcome to Techi. In this video we are going to take a system state backup for our Active Directory domain controller on Windows Server 2025. Let's go to the server and get started. So right now we are on our server, and before proceeding with the system state backup, you should have a administrative rights on the Windows server, and you should also have a sufficient disk space to store the backup files, and then we will create a shared folder where the backup will be stored. So first step is to install the Windows Server backup feature. To install the Windows Server backup feature, we will go to the server manager, click on add roles and feature, click on next, click on next again, and here we have selected our DC, that is our domain controller. Click on next. Here we have the roles, we have to click on next again, scroll it down, and here we have a Windows Server backup. So we will check this box and we'll click on next to install it. So I will click on install, and the installation has been started. Let's wait for some time to get it installed completely. Now the installation has been succeeded, so I will close this. Let's minimize this as well, and now we will have to create a shared folder. So let me open the C drive, and inside the C drive I will create a new folder by the name of backup. So this is the folder. Let's share this folder. We will go to the sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder, and in the permission add administrator, advanced, find now, and here we have administrator. Click on OK, and administrator should have the read write permission here, so I will give him a change and read permission. Click on apply and click on OK. Here we have our network path. Just copy this path and click on close. Now let me close this, and let's go to the Windows Server backup. From the tools we have here Windows Server backup. Just click on this. Once you see this screen, just click on this local backup, and here we see that backup once. Let me click on backup once, and here we have a different option. Scheduling is not highlighted right now because once we did the backup then we can schedule it, but at the first time we have to choose this different option and click on next. Here we have two options like full server or custom. We just want to take a system state backup, so I will choose custom and click on next. Here it is asking to add the items, so I will click on add items, and from here I will just select the system state option and will click on OK. Here we have system state selected and will click on next. Again we have a two option like local drive or remote share. I have shared a folder, so I will select the remote share and will click on next. Here I will choose the shared location, that is our remote path. This is the path, and make sure you select this inherit option. Now click on next and click on backup. Right now it is creating shadow copy of volumes, and here we see backup not started. Now you can see the backup has been started. Let's wait to complete it. So now the system state backup has been completed. You can see the status completed and data transferred is 9.4 GB. So the system state backup has been completed successfully, and you can see we have a successful backup for this date, 5 April 2025. And if you want to verify it, we can go to the C drive, and inside this backup folder we have this Windows image backup, and if we open it you can see we have the backup here. So we have successfully taken the backup of our system state, and in our next video we will see how we can restore it. I hope the video was informative. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content.